Hi my friends and my seniors, welcome back guys in another brand new video. Today's video is gonna be very beautiful because guys, today in this video I am gonna share a very beautiful thing with all of you. Do you know that in my life, whenever I feel distracted, I feel demotivated, and after facing a lot of rejection and failure, whenever I think that I should give up, at that time I just ask one question to myself, and after asking it, everything becomes right. And that question is who I am. Yes, I just ask myself who I am and which work I am doing, and after asking it, I feel very concentrated. I feel very motivated, very disciplined, and again consistent, and with patience I do my work. There are lots of content creators in YouTube. Some people make reaction videos, some people make dancing, some people make singing, some people even make short videos, some people make gaming videos, and by a less hard work they are earning a huge amount of money. So sometimes I also think that why not I do that? If I also start making gaming videos daily, at in a very short time I will also achieve a lot of things. But after thinking it, I just ask again myself who I am. And whenever I ask this question to myself, then I realize that yes, I am very perfect and I am very good with the work that I am doing. I am a speaker, I am a motivational speaker, and it's my work to do. Doesn't matter how much people they are earning by doing easy contents, by doing gaming contents, but my work is just speaking. For that reason, doesn't matter success comes or not come, I will speak. Okay, I'll do my work, I will do my job. So this thing, like as another example, also in this place, lots of people in my age, we also play together, my friends. So a lot of my friends, they are really good in sports, but I am not that much good like them. So for that reason, I also ask a lots of time myself that why not I good at sports, why not I good at bat ball, badminton, at football. They are really good, but they are like me, they are like my age. So what's the matter? At that time I also think that no, if the thing comes at speaking, then nobody are gonna speak better than me. Yes, they are good at sports, but I am good at speaking, I am good at English. So this is, remember, everyone is great in their own way, but don't see anyone and don't change your work for anyone. If you are thinking that this work is easy but the thing that I am doing it's not good, then just you are doing a very big mistake. Ask yourself who you are, which work is perfect for you, and just think about the answer by your heart, not your brain. This thing is very important. I'll share a story with you. This story is very beautiful story. This story is from class 2. No, I'm sorry, class 1 story. The mosquito and the tiger. The tiger and the mosquito. So in this story there are two characters, the tiger and a mosquito. So one day a tiger was dozing under a tree and a mosquito buzzing by. And then the tiger said to the mosquito very angrily that, "Hey mosquito, you are disturbing me, go away." At that time the mosquito said that, "I will not go away, I am not afraid of you." And then the tiger didn't just avoid the mosquito and he slept. But after a few moments, the mosquito came and sat down on the tiger's cheek, and the tiger felt very annoying. For that reason, he just hit out his paw for to kill the mosquito. But he could not kill it, and the paw struck on his face and it started bleeding. And then after few moments the mosquito did the same activity again. He came and sat down on his another, meaning the left cheek, and then he again just hit his another cheek with his another paw. At that time the tiger was helpless, and hopelessly he woke up and he went away. At that time, the mosquito called the tiger and he said to the tiger that, "My friend, always remember, everyone is great in their own way. Okay, you are really good at killing animals, big animals, but you can't kill a small animal like me. So just understand it, that you are great in your way, so it doesn't mean that no one is greater than you. Everyone has different kinds of abilities. So this story is very motivational. The moral of the story is very important. I want to just share this moral with all of you. Remember it in your lifelong time, that some people are better than you in studies. It doesn't mean that they are very good. God had blessed them very well, but God did not give you any opportunities. No, it's totally false. They are good at studies, but it may be that you are good at speaking. Okay, there are lots of people who writes more beautiful English than me, but they can't speak more beautiful English like me. So speaking, writing is different. So this thing I only want to share with all of you. Keep it in mind. Okay, everyone is great in their own way, so you also are great, but your way you have to find it. And remember, people in this world, people are here for to say negative things to you, negative words to you, but it's your responsibility and it's your job to always maintain your consistency and your patience and always do the work. So this thing I want to share with you. Bye bye to a great man. Nothing is little. So this place is also very beautiful. Actually, this is not a field. This whole thing is a lake or a pond, but on the pond you also can see lots of plants have grown. For that reason it's looking very messy, but it also a work of nature. Okay, under them it's water. So this thing I want to share with you. Bye bye to agreement. Nothing is little. Like, subscribe, comment about this topic, and I'll always make videos for all of you. So it's your job and your responsibility to get all of the videos. So thank you. Always remember, ask yourself who you are, and the answer that you will get, it will be your answer, and answer will automatically solve your all problems. Bye bye.